this video is from Tasty Chef Club, and the title is Watch This Amazing Whip Condensed Milk Recipe in Just 1 Minute, No Baking. On a almost 6-minute video, ready in just 1 minute, already giving me an eyebrow raise, but you know.
It's giving you a cause for pause.
It's a cause for pause. Oh, that sounds like a dog rescue. Oh, okay. Okay, so condensed milk, cocoa powder. You like this music. You're just rocking out. See, switch places. You can just dance behind me. Brought to you by WikiFeet. Melted butter. Okay. It's like kind of plain wafer cookies, maybe digestive cookies. And he's mixing that into the, where is this going? No baking. Where are we going with this guy? Oh, is he gonna make like freezer cookies? My mom used to make those for me. They were pretty good. Take a cookie, make cookies. Okay. Ooh, all right. Should have gotten a bigger bowl, dude. So he's got a lot of stuff in that little tiny bowl and just one little spoon, which cool for functionality's sake, but not great for getting it done. Okay, now he's making kind of a paste with it, like a dough.
Already in excess of 1 minute.
Oh, we're well in excess of 1 minute. Well in excess of 1 minute. It's now he's forming them to what I imagine is going to be cookies. Take a cookie, grind it down to make cookies. Good Lord. In case you guys don't know, I don't watch these videos in advance, so that way I give you raw, genuine reactions. So every now and again, producer MJ just likes to throw things in here that he knows are gonna make my eye twitch.
Yeah, all this time later, I've yet to see an eye twitch ever.
You edit it out. You've already told me that. What do you think I'm doing when I do that?
That's an eye twitch?
It's a little, it's like, it's an eye water twitch. Do not do a slow-mo hold on that. He made burger patties. Now what's he done? Peanuts. I mean, points for cinematography. Well done, sir. Okay. Dip in honey. Where do you get off saying ready in 1 minute? Okay, so this is not a content farm. I think I can safely say this looks a little bit too homey, like not as produced as some of that content farm stuff, but still, my God, what a clickbait title. All right.
How are we feeling about the deliciousness level?
I'm feeling like, I mean, It looks like it's gonna be super sweet, one. Guys, I'm gonna have to listen to like, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it for a sec. I'm gonna have to listen to like some Pantera after this just to get the energy level back up. Cause like, whew, I mean, it's almost like, why not just use whale sounds? You know, like why hold back? Yeah, this is, I don't like this. I don't like this as much as I disliked drilling a hole to make a Looney Tunes comic strip in your kitchen countertops. But I don't love this. It sounds like it's going to be ultra sweet because we've got cookies, condensed milk, honey, and not a lot of balance in there. I mean, there's some cocoa for the bitter. There's some nuts in there, but like a bit of salt would go a long way. Also, the end presentation is so unattractive to me. And like just making a pasty dough ball with cookie crumbs and all that stuff, I just, nah. I'm not even gonna try this one. I don't wanna know what it tastes like. I'm not good with it. I have an idea in my head. I have like the colors in my head of what this tastes like, and it's brown. I don't dig it. Let's see, I mean, I don't know. I still have, I wanna say 8 years left in this video, so let's see it to the end and maybe
he pulls it out.
Something happens. Yeah, maybe he like.
Maybe he just threw it out.
Maybe he just scrapes it into a trash can and unwraps a Snickers. I'd be down for that.
Snickers are the worst though.
What?
Terrible candy bar.
You're so wrong. You're so incorrect. Leave in the comment section if producer. I'm gonna pause this so that way I don't have to shout over the spa music. Drop a comment down there and just let producer MJ know that he's incorrect about Snickers bars, or if you agree with him. Actually, tell me what your favorite candy bar is, because this video is not worth talking about. And yet here I am. Nah, this doesn't do it for me. This is yeah, fork it open, man. What is that meant to, like, what is the goal here? We've got a very clickbaity title. Watch this amazing whip condensed milk recipe in just 1 minute. No baking. The only thing accurate about that is the words no and baking. Amazing? No. Oh, categorically untrue. Oh, well, condensed milk was in there, so sure. And I wouldn't call that a recipe, but you know, it's something. But yeah, this is a really, really long walk to get to not a terribly good view. I give this one a 3 out of 10. Thanks for playing.